Hello friends, in the last class we have discussed that linear equation can be written as a1x plus b1y equals c1, a2x plus b2y equals c2. Also we know that equations, if they intersect at one point, then we get the unique solution. If these two lines are parallel, then it is a case of no solution. And if the two lines have all the points as common, that means they lie on each other, then we say that equations have infinite many solutions. Now, by looking at the equation, can we find that we are going to get a unique solution, no solution, or infinite many solution? Yes, it's quite simple. In case if the ratio of a1 and a2 is not equal to the ratio of b1 and b2, you are going to get a unique solution. So you can see in this question, a1 and a2 will be 3 by 5, b1 by b2 will be 4 by 10, which will come out to be 2 by 5. We can see that these two values are not equals. If these two values are not equal, then these lines are going to intersect each other, and such a solution is said to be consistent. In case if a1 and a2 and b1 and b2, the two ratios are equal, but they are not equal to the third ratio. So in that case, the two lines will be parallel and we are going to get a no solution in this case. So let's see these two equations. We have got a1 by a2 as 3 by 6, which comes out to be 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 14 by 28, which comes out to be 1 by 2. And c1 by c2, this one comes out to be 1 by 4. So we can see that a1 and a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but is not equal to c1 by c2. The lines are parallel, and such a solution can also be said to be inconsistent, right? Now we're coming on to the cases of infinite solution. In this case, if we can see, all the three ratios are equal. So let's see this example. We've got the equation 5x plus 6y equals 3, 15x plus 18y equals 9. If we take the ratio a1 by a2, it is 5 by 15, which work out to be 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is 6 by 18, this again is 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 is 3 by 9, which again comes out to be 1 by 3. So all three ratios are equal. Hence we can say, in this case, the lines are dependent on each other, right? Or this is also case of consistent, but consistent means there can be two solutions for the consistent. Either it is a case of dependent or it is a case of intersecting, that is a unique solution, or it is a case of infinite solution. Now we move on to the next question. See, in this question, the two equations are provided to us and we have to find out the value of k for which these two equations have no solution. Or it may be given in the question that for what value of k the given equations are inconsistent. We know that for the case of no solution, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, but is not equal to c1 by c2. So we can see a1 by a2 is 3 upon 2k minus 1, b1 by b2 is 4 upon k minus 1, and c1 by c2 is 1 upon 2k plus 1. We have to solve that part which is having the equal sign. So by just cross multiplying the two values, we get the value of k as 1 by 5. Now we need to check for this value of k whether C1 C2 become equal to A1 by A2 or B1 by B2, because if that happens, then for no value of k the given equation will be inconsistent. So taking k as 1 by 5, we have calculated the value of A1 by A2 by substituting the value of k. So we got the answer as how much? This answer is coming out to be -5. And if we take C1 by C2 by substituting the value of k as 1 by 5, you can take the LCM. So in this case, what we get? In this case, we got that the value of C1 by C2 is 5 by 7, whereas the value of A1 by A2 is -5. So we can see that these two values are not equal, and if these two values are not equal, that means we're going to have A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2, but is not equal to C1 by C2 for this value of k. So that one is our answer. So the value of k is 1 by 5. So there is another question now. In this case, it is mentioned we have to find the value of k for which we're going to have infinite many solution. And we know that for infinite many solution, all the three ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, these all the three have to be equal. So value of A1 by A2 is k by 12, B1 by B2 is 3 by 6, C1 by C2 is minus of k minus 3 upon minus k. First we take the first two values. From this we get k square equals 36. So value of k is either plus 6 or minus 6. Then we take these two values. Now these minus sign cancel out. Even this k can be cancelled from both of these two. So we can cancel this denominator. So we got 3 equals how much? K minus 3. From here the value of k comes out to be 6. Now value of k which is common in this result and in this result, that is our answer. So the value which is in both the answers is positive 6. So that one is our answer. Bye. You may try the questions on the basis of these things. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class.